Today I'd just like to show you my straight welding and cutting guide. All it is a draw slide. You can see how long it is. It depends on your work table or what you're going to cut or weld. There's just some scrap tube I had laying around. I made up a couple of blocks that go in, and they just fit a coach bolt, and you buy whatever length coach bolt you want, and that can raise it up and lower it. You can screw it up and screw it down. I've got provision for 3 screws. These also can go there and there. There's also another nut in there. So that's how it is. I just stuck it together. Now you can bolt it down, but you line it up, just your screws. Now you can say line it up square with the edge. Let's have a look. And depending on how high you are from your job, whether you're doing TIG welding, MIG welding, whatever, if the material's wider than that, you can swing these around the other way or shift it up. It's all up to you. So basically, if you're a left-hander or a right-hander, if you weld this way, you just start off and drag it. But if you weld this way, this is your end stop. So you put your arm where, your hand where the end's going to be. So right, I'm going to weld from here to here. So there's your welding. Now, I'm going to make up an armrest. I was thinking about making up just a holder for the TIG gun and the MIG gun. But see, trouble is to get them, the right angles and all this, and then onto the height. So if you can make a good rest for your hand, like a dish, that's what I'll be working on, a dish, like a PVC pipe cut in half, and just so as it fits in your hand, so as your hand's not going like this when you're moving it. Yeah. So there it is. If you've got any questions, subscribe and they'll be answered. And as always, thanks for watching.